Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on Word, a creative and fun word building game. If you enjoy playing with language and making funny or long sentences, this is the perfect game for you. Let's dive right in and see how it works. The goal of the game is simple. Build the longest and funniest sentences using individual words from a given topic. In this case, the topic is travel and tourism. Please note that your topic might be different. You can add extra words as needed, but you have to follow some special rules on how to place them. In this tutorial, we present the rules for the version Travel and Tourism. Your version might ask for slightly different rules, so please refer to your rule sheet as needed. Now, let's set up the game. To play Word, each player needs one playing field and a pen. Once everyone has their materials, you're ready to start. Here's how it works. Players take turns adding words to their playing field. But there's a twist. In the first round, each player adds a non-verb. This can be a noun, articles, adjectives, prepositions, any word that is not a verb. In the next round, each player adds a verb to their playing field. Then simply continue in this order. First a non-verb, then a verb, and repeat. As the game continues, your sentences grow and get funnier. In this way, you will create sentences that can go in any direction, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. You'll soon see surprising and hilarious sentences combinations. The result might look like this. Please be aware, each space can only hold one word and words can be added only to empty spaces. And remember, if you want to write is waiting, both is and waiting count as separate words. The game ends when no one can add a new word to create a valid sentence. Double check your sentences for grammar and meaning. Words played as verbs or non-verbs may take on different functions in the final sentence. This is absolutely okay. Then it's time to score. Find your longest grammatically correct sentence. The player with the longest correct sentence is the winner. If multiple players have sentences of the same length, decide which one is the funniest. This player is the winner. And that's it. Now you know how to play Word, a fun and creative way to build sentences. So grab your pens, get creative, and let's see who can come up with the longest and funniest sentence. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!